Today we're going to talk about the battery agent. The battery agent is a utility driver that allows for easy interpretation and event triggering for all battery related items inside a control floor. Starting with version 10.10, Cinegration has created a new version called Battery V2. This is a replacement for the existing Battery Agent 1. This is not, you cannot update from one. It's no big deal. You can actually have both in the project. You just get a whole bunch of emails about that, but realistically, everyone should be using the Battery V2 agent to get all these new features, and that's what I'm going to explain today. To add the driver in, go up here, search for battery, and double click and add the battery agent. The driver will auto set up itself here, and the device list will auto populate, and you can see in this particular install the license has already been activated. I've already added the Driver Central Cloud driver. This gives you some of the info about the driver and some of the properties and settings that you can change. The ones that you're really most concerned about is the service email. This needs to be the email of your dealership or whoever takes care of the house, the property manager, that kind of thing. The subject line of this email when it gets sent is the project name of the file. When it's the customer, it does not say. That is the two main differences between service and customer. The other difference is when there is a battery event that's detected, the service email will get sent immediately. The customer email waits until the reminder time preference slot is executed. And then for the customer, we're going to use info@cinegration.com. Normally you'd put in the phone number and if it's AT&T, it's mms.att.net. If it's Verizon, it's vtex.com. The next step is new to the new version 2 version, and that is we've added an experience button for the customer. So we're going to click on Family Room, we're going to go to Navigator, and we've allowed it to have, we've allowed access to it in both the Comfort page and in the Security page. So we're going to put it in the Comfort page, we're going to add it in, show it, and refresh the navigators. That concludes the standard setup of the driver. One thing to note for the emails is we do require the email notification agent to be installed. You don't have to have anything in the notification templates. Our driver takes care of all of that, but you do have to have that, and you have to have foresight. We use the email agent as our gateway to send out the emails. Here is an example of what a customer email would look like. If you can see here, I had set, just for testing purposes, that the low level of any battery is under 81%, send an email. It looks like the Family Room SR260 was at 80%, and so we got an email. This would have been sent in the morning based off of that time. And then also over here, this is the dealer email. If you can see here, it has control for system : new project. That's going to match what your project is over here. And in this case, it's just going to show low-level reporting. This is the new experience button for the battery agent. So we're going to go to Comfort, and you're going to see it here that this is the new button. It's going to say that we have an alert. We're going to click it, and this is the same response that you would have gotten if you would have gotten it via email. So we're going to hit OK, and now you're going to see that the battery agent is back to normal. If we click it now, we're going to see a current state of all the batteries of the house. And that is it.